Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how to use Microsoft Visio. Did you know Microsoft Visio is a diagramming vector graphics application and Microsoft Visio is part of Microsoft Office family. Okay, let's start this video. First, we'll open Microsoft Office Visio app. We can create various kinds of diagram through Microsoft Visio like business, engineering, flowchart, software and database, schedule, network, maps and blueprints. But in this tutorial, I will create flowchart. Flowchart have many templates, but I will use basic flowchart. Click the blank paper and click button create. In this section, there are some basic flowchart shapes that we will use later. First, click start and drag to here. Double click and type start. Change the font Comic Sans MS with 12 pt. Next, click custom for shapes, drag, double click and type result A and B. Okay, change the font and resize. Okay, next click data, drag, double click and type input A and B. Change the font Comic Sans MS 12 pt. Okay, and next click process shapes, drag and double click, type result is result A multiply B. Change the font. Okay, resize. Right, next click data for output, double click, type output result, then change the font. Right, and then start arrow and drag. We'll type N right here because N of flowchart. Then to make a row line, click the connector tools and then you create line like this and this until the end symbol. Oh yeah, I forget to change the font type for symbols N and click change to Comic Sans MS 12 pt. Alright, we can also change our flowcharts by clicking the design menu and you can choose the design what do you want. Click design menu and you can change what you design what do you want. It have many design, but I select this. Okay, this all for the tutorial on how use Microsoft Visio. See you the next video.